General behaviors which are prohibited in the sales process via various code of ethics, be it government, be it industrial, be it professional associations or the company specific. These are the general things which are not prohibited by any code of ethics. Usually bribes, gifts and kickbacks. Now there are different levels of gifts in the different countries. There are culture where you are giving gifts based on the cultural festivals, Diwali or Holi or water festival, New Year, Christmas. So those gifts up to a certain limit are allowed. There are usually guideline principles up to what level of amount you can give as a gift. So sales managers need to understand the level of gifts, and the intention behind these gifts should be only as a cultural obligation, not to win the contract or not to bribe the person who is going to make a decision. Kickbacks, giving a percentage of commission, giving a unauthorized commission. Let's say there is a booker in the hotel where you are giving them a commission, let's say a 5% commission on every booked room night. That is illegal and that is considered as a bribe or a kickback. There are certain hotels groups which are running like membership programs, loyalty programs for bookers to generate the bookings. Those programs are allowed, or those programs are ethical to the extent that they have been recognized by the bookers or their related employers. So the hotel chains and hotels would need to be careful in the gifts and kickback proposals that they are running out or the offers they are making. Giving a commission when they are clearly an agent is different. When unless they are the booker on behalf of a company and they are getting the gifts or kickbacks or loyalty points which they can again redeem in cash or in kind, that may be considered as kickback. So the sales people need to be careful in giving out the gifts and bribes. There are conflict of interest when people who are booking them for their company and then they are assigning some other agent which they know to earn a commission, which we know that the salesperson knows that the commission would go back to in their pocket. So there are conflict of interest, clearly conflict of interest. The sales people would need to avoid certain situations. Illegal political payments, giving to win the government and government contracts, or violating the laws in general, again are prohibited usually. Use of insider information, for example, you are tendering for a contract or you're tendering for a meeting in the organization where you are seeking or bribing or giving the benefits to the person who might be able to give you the competitors information. That is also considered as insider information. That use of insider information is again prohibited by most of code ethics. There are confidential agreements between the company and the employees to disclose the rates, or if you have obtained the rates of competitors on confidential agreements and you're using those rates for the benefit of your sales process or submitting your proposals, that again would be prohibited by sales. Falsification of sales accounts, faking the sales reports or to gain more incentive, teaming up with the other salespeople to report the sales in one sales manager's account to get above the threshold limit is again prohibited. Antitrust laws, fraud, deceptions, when we are describing our products and services wrongly with the intention of cheating the customers, those are all illegal behaviors or unethical behaviors required by a lot of code of ethics. So salespeople in general should avoid these things.